Crock Pot Angel Chicken.
Let's see what's cooking. It's time for yoyomax12.
Hello everyone, starting off with a half a cup of butter that you will melt in the microwave. To that add 1 package of dried Italian salad dressing mix, that's about an ounce or so. And then 4 ounces of chive and onion cream cheese. You could also use the herb and garlic. And 1 can of golden mushroom soup, undiluted. 1/2 cup of white wine. You could also use water or broth if you don't want to use the wine. And just stir that together well until it's combined. I used a whisk just to make sure that the cream cheese was broken up and it was smooth. Then I greased my crock pot with some cooking spray just to make cleanup easier. And then I added 6 chicken breast halves to the crock pot and then poured that mixture on top. Then you're going to cook this on low for about 4 to 5 hours. And that's all there is to it. Here is what the end result looks like. As you can see, there is a ton of sauce in this, so you have plenty to serve this over noodles or even over rice. This is absolutely delicious, so much flavor. It's going to become a family favorite. I have many chicken recipes on my channel that I think you're going to like. If you're looking for an idea for dinner, go ahead and browse this playlist. Thanks for watching.